You are going to love the 2016 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, trip odometer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.